Goodness gracious.
Hey guys, today we are making some butterbeer. And this is my mom. She's going to help us.
Hi guys.
What do you do now?
Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get all your ingredients together. You're going to need a half a cup of heavy cream. You're going to need a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of butter extract. We've got them mixed together. You're going to need cream soda.
Yeah.
You're going to need butterscotch syrup. And utensils. And mixing bowls.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we need this.
Yes.
So let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Mom, I have never had cream soda.
Well, then let's try some.
I need a bottle opener.
Here we go. Here you go. Give it a try.
Okay, that smells too good for me to try that.
Smells too good?
Yeah.
It's tasty.
That smells too good.
Try it.
It still smells too good.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out a half of a cup of heavy cream.
Yes. Evans.
I sure will.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is I want you to pour that into this measuring glass until I say when. Oh. Okay, that's enough. All right.
I spilled some, guys.
It's okay.
Mom, I got some paper. Mommy, it's okay. I have some paper towels right here.
Okay. Thank you.
We can. That's leaving a stain. That has a leaving a stain. We need sugar next.
Yep, and then you pour the sugar in.
Yeah. And then what? This?
Yes, pour in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the half a teaspoon of butter extract.
Right, then what?
Then we mix.
Ooh, I can mix it. Whee! It's going all around. This is getting really thick.
Keep going.
When?
You gotta keep on going. It's gonna take lots of muscles.
Is this good?
Nope.
My hand is getting tired.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Mix, 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 mix.
And then we're gonna add this.
Not yet. The heavy cream takes a lot of mixing. A whole lot of mixing.
This is gonna take like 10 hours to get done.
Maybe. It might.
Yeah, it will be like past my bedtime, guys.
It might.
So guys, this.
Well, that's not working.
I don't need that. The bowl. Dressing. Oh my god.
I think it's working.
Oh.
Right, you're gonna mix it until it has a whipped cream consistency.
Yeah.
That would have taken forever to do that by hand. Okay, now we're gonna move that to the side. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to measure out 2 cups of cream soda. Okay, so let's open it.
We have no. You open this one?
I sure will.
Let's go down to 100 millimeters up.
Here you go. You're going to measure all the way to this top line. Keep going. Almost. Tip it up. Tip it up. So, unfortunately, that is only a cup and a half. So we have to use another one. All right?
Yeah.
So we're just going to go...
Yeah, it's going to go...
2 cups.
2 cups.
Okay.
That is 2 cups.
Then what you're going to do is you're going to put in about 2 tablespoons, which I'm not measuring this. I'm just going to measure it by my eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Then, Fox,
Wait.
you're going to take this and you're going to mix it.
It's going to take a lot of mixing to do my...
No, this one won't take that much mixing. You just got to mix it.
How long?
That should be perfectly fine. So now, the only thing we need is glasses to put it in.
Mom, I got 2 mugs right here. Let me grab 1, 2.
Well, that's great. That's exactly what we need, buddy.
Yeah.
So, then, all you do is you pour it in here. Give you some.
Is you some and me some?
Mm-hmm.
I can look at the fizzing.
And then we'll give me some.
Apparently.
And then you take some of this heavy cream mixture that you did, and you're going to scoop some out on top.
Ooh. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah, that looks delicious. Just looks delicious.
And then the last piece is a little bit of butterscotch syrup over top.
Aww, that looks really cool.
All right, Fox, are you ready to taste this Harry Potter butterbeer? Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. That is really good. What do you think, Fox?
This tastes as good as Harry Potter butterbeer. I give this 10 out of 10. The good this tastes about is the cream. I like the cream. Hey Mom, what is your favorite part of making this?
Making it with you. What was your favorite part of making this?
With you. And the best thing about this is the cream, guys.
It is really tasty, isn't it?
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.